Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Outlook service to load images on the Outlook Live website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website. Then click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on General in the left side column and then tap on Privacy and Data. Scroll down to the External Images section, and here you can use select the Always Use the Outlook service to load images feature. Tap onto the circle and then it will be updated automatically. You can also choose the second option, don't use the Outlook service to load images. So tap on the relevant circle and it will be selected. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.